open, but like everything here is like real tropical type of feel. Just looking around, like looking at the plants, looking at kudzu. It's the feel at Manoa Falls is like literally you just in the jungle. Like everywhere you turn is big elephant leaves and all of just green everywhere. Like literally, we're really like in the jungle. Like look at the path. It's crazy. It sounds like it's like a waterfall. Right? It's a stream that runs through somewhere. So walking through right now, actually just not starting walking up the stairs. I thought the whole height was paved, but I guess it's not. But it looks like it's getting a little more, I guess, adventurous, you call it. So, that's definitely a factor in the humidity. That's why it's so high. But I mean, just looking around, this might be one of the best hikes I've been done. And I'm not even at the waterfall. Science assistant. The names in it. Oh, we got Jesus in there. Tearing my ass. Oh, no lie. Look how huge this tree is. Like, these trees had to be here for like hundreds of years. This has to at least be a 100-year-old tree. Like, even just walking walking by it, walking up on it. Like, look at all these names carved in. It's huge. So the hike is getting a little more complex now. And since it rained, it's like mud everywhere. So now it's gonna be more slippery. Waterfall goes all the way up, which is crazy. So I finally got what I was coming for. This hike was all to lead to Manoa Falls, the end of it. I don't know how tall it is. There at least has to be a little more than 100 feet. But yeah, it's like people over there just like in the water, in the pool and stuff, chilling. I guess it's just like a pool of water. I'm not sure. So if you like what you just seen, subscribe, drop a comment below, hit the like button. Until next time, peace.